see, in parallel combination, all the resistors are getting same potential difference. Are getting same potential difference. That is volt, and volt is energy associated with 1 coulomb of charge. Now, in parallel, because in parallel combination, all are getting same potential difference. This is first resistor, second one or third one. One end of each resistor are connected at one point and the other end are connected at some another point B. Then only they are said to be in parallel. Now, this end is connected to the battery of V volt, and this end is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is positive and this is negative terminal. Now, from battery, current sent is I. Current I is sent to the circuit. Now let I1 current enter the first resistor. Out of this I1, let I2 current enter through the second resistor, and I3 current passes through the third resistor. Not what you are observing. From here, current I gets distributed into 3 parts. So we can write current I is distributed into 3 parts. How it is distributed? How current is distributed into 3 parts? Let's see here. I1 plus I2 plus I3. So we can write I1 plus I2 plus I3. I3 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं बेटा. In parallel combination, we write like this. In parallel combination, what all resistors are getting same potential difference. You know, according to the Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. तो बेटा I की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं? V by R. I की जगह हम in this equation we write V upon R. What is the value of I1 V? Voltage. First one resistor is getting V. And what is the resistance? R1. बेटा I2 की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? V by R2. V by R2. और I3 की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? V by R3. और टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ये भी है V. और टोटल तीनों का मिला करके किसने करंट दिया? I. टोटल करंट I की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? सबका सम. टोटल इसको बोलते हैं इक्विवेलेंट, सबका सम. तो बेटा ये देखिए ऊपर में दोनों साइड में V कॉमन है. We can remove this V and we can write R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 upon R3. बेटा ऐसे करते हो ना मैथमेटिक्स में. यहाँ V कॉमन into 1 by R equivalent. यहाँ V कॉमन 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 upon R3. इस V को राइट साइड ले गए. 1 by R equivalent is equals to V by V. कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 1 by 1 से 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. प्लस 1 by R2 प्लस 1 by R3. तो बेटा फॉर्मूला हमने क्या डिराइव किया? इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. ये फॉर्मूला आया हमारे सामने. क्या फॉर्मूला आया बेटा? क्या फॉर्मूला आया? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. What we have obtained, what is the formula for parallel combination that we have obtained? The formula for parallel combination is 1 by R equivalent is equals to, what is the formula for parallel combination? 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 upon R3. बेटा ये फॉर्मूला अब ये क्यों आया? इसका मैथमेटिकल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है देख लेते हैं. और फिजिकल बेटा मैथमेटिकल सिग्निफिकेंस, मैथमेटिक्स इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ फिजिक्स. और ये बहुत सारी बातों को कहती है. बेटा इनवर्स में जोड़ने का मतलब क्या होता है मैथमेटिक्स में? 2 और 2 को अगर इनवर्स में जोड़ेंगे 1/2 प्लस 1/2 क्या आ जाएंगे बेटा? दोनों का सम 2 1 प्लस 1 2 2/2 1 बाई आर इक्विवेलेंट। इसको रिवर्ट कीजिए, आर इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल टू 1, यानी कि 2 और 2 1 हो जाते हैं, 2 और 2 1 होते हैं। इसका फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ये है, जब 2 और 2 1 हो जाए, 3 और 3 1.5 हो जाए, 3 और 3 1.5 हो जाए, 8 और 8 4 हो जाए, तो उसको पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन कहते हैं। बेटा 8 और 8 8 एंड 8 16 हो जाए तो वो सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है, लेकिन 8 ओम और 8 ओम अगर 4 बन गए, आधे हो गए, तो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाते हैं। सो इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या डिक्रीज कर रहा है? रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज करता है। सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में 8 और 8 16 हो गए, और सीरीज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में 8 और 8 4 हो गए। सो व्हाट वी हैव इज got this point. From here we have concluded that equivalent resistance in parallel combination decreases. Why? If someone will ask why, because here if two wires are there, both have same length and both are connected from, and it's not from one end connected at same point, another at the same point. If its cross section area is A, this cross section area is A, length is same. Now see here, you know R is directly proportional to L. L remains same, and R is inversely proportional to area. Area gets doubled, A to A. तो बेटा जब डिनोमिनेटर डबल हो जाएगा तो ये टोटल क्वांटिटी क्या हो जाएगी? हाफ, यानी कि रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जा रहा है? 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, यानी कि रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज हो जा रहा है। रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो रहा है? रेजिस्टेंस इज डिक्रीजिंग। ओके, यहां मैं दिखा रहा हूं, मैं कुछ रब करके बता रहा हूं मेरा। चलिए बेटा मैंने क्या बताया? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ जाने की वजह से रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज कर जाता है। इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ड्यू टू इंक्रीजिंग क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीजेस, एंड एज वी नो रेजिस्टेंस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया। बेटा बहुत सिंपल से प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। ये रजिस्टर 6 ओम का है बेटा, उसके पैरेलल में हमने दूसरे रजिस्टर को लगाया, and the second register is of 3 ohm. R2 is 3, R1 is 6 ohm. What is the equivalent resistance across point A and B? Find R equivalent across point A and B. Find out. How you can find out? Both these two resistors, how they are connected, all of you should know. How they are connected? Both are connected in parallel. So what is the formula for equivalent resistance? Equivalent means total sum. REQ, equivalent total sum. 1/R1 plus 1/R2. This is the formula for parallel combination. This is the formula for parallel combination. Now see here all of you. But what is the formula? What is the value of R1? 6 ohm. What is the value of R2? 3 ohm is equals to 1/R equivalent. What is the LCM of 6 and 3? It is 6. 6 1 ja 1 into 1 1. It is 2 ja 2 into 1 2. It is 1/R equivalent. Yes, beta. Let's see here. We will solve here. 1/R equivalent. 1/R equivalent. What is the LCM? 6 and 3 is 6. 6 1 ja 1 into 1 1. 3 2 times 2 into 1 2. Now solve this. Revert this one. R equivalent upon 1 R equivalent. If you revert this side, then this side you also needs to revert this one. 6/2 plus 1 3. 3 2s are 6. So what is the value of R equivalent? It is 3 2s are 2 ohm. But now if someone will ask you how directly you can find out, better see here. In parallel combination, product of these two. Product of directly how you can find. If someone will ask to find the equivalent resistance in parallel combination. Now how frequently you can find out? In very short time. Just make the product of these two. 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. Direct formula. Product of the two divided by sum of the two. 6 3 is 18. 6 plus 3 9. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. So product of 2 divided by sum of 2 is the equivalent resistance. Formula for parallel combination. Now next question I am giving you. But see here. 1 2 3 4 dash 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 1 2 3 4 up to 100. 4 ohm resistors are there. 4 ohm resistors are there. All are of 4 ohm. Find the equivalent resistance across point A and B. Yes, anybody? बेटा कोई भी बताओ और इसका आंसर बताओ, जल्दी बताओ मुझे इसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा। मैं ऑप्शन दे रहा हूं बेटा। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है 4 into 100। सेकेंड ऑप्शन है बेटा 4 1000। C 4 divided by 100। D 4 divided by 1 2 3 4। बेटा ये डॉट डॉट का मतलब ये सीक्वेंस जारी है 100 सीक्वेंस का। टोटल नंबर ऑफ 100 रजिस्टर्स आर कनेक्टेड पर। बेटा which one is correct? Yes, anybody? A B C D. Out of this, which one is the correct? Beta, in this question, first you have to think about the hints that are given to you. 4 plus 4 if connected in series, 4 plus 4 is 8. And 4 plus 4 if connected in parallel, then it becomes 2. It will becomes times 4 plus 4 and 4. How many register? 2. So 4 divided by 2. So similarly, how you can calculate R equivalent? 1 by 4 first register plus 1 by 4 second register plus 1 by 4. How many register? Up to 100 terms? Up to 100 terms. How many terms are there? 100 up to 100 times. So your first 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 terms. Now it's 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to how many times? 100 times. So 4 by 100. The equivalent resistance will be R equivalent. Just revert this. Reciprocal कर देते बेटा इसे. तो 4 by 100. 4 by 100. C ऑप्शन होगा. C ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बेटा. अगर 4 ओम 4 ओम 4 ओम ये सीक्वेंस 100 टाइम्स हो 4 by 100। ओहो बेटा ये तो गलत निकाला है ना हमने। ये सीरीज में है और मैंने क्या बोला था आपको पैरेलल में। तो सीरीज में क्या होंगे पहले मैं सीक्वेंस के हिसाब से जाऊंगा। ये सीरीज में क्या होगा बेटा R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 ये चलता जाएगा बिकॉज ये हमने सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर रखा है इसे। कितना टाइम्स 100 टाइम्स 4 प्लस 4 प्लस 4 प्लस 4 ये 100 टाइम्स जाएगा। तो 4 into 100 इट इज 400 ओम। आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 400 ओम। लेकिन अगर यही सीक्वेंस को हमने ऐसे किया बड़ा इसी क्वेश्चन को सेकंड पार्ट इस तरह से हम ब्रेक करेंगे। 4 4 4 4 all these are connected in parallel 4 ohm 4 ohm 4 ohm 4 ohm। बेटा मुझे समझाना ये था आपको, सारे पैरेलल में, तो पैरेलल के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या लगता है बेटा, ये नहीं लगेगा, पैरेलल के लिए फॉर्मूला ये लगेगा 1/R इक्विवेलेंट। ये पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है, कितने 1 2 3 4 कितने सीक्वेंस है बेटा, 100 ऐसे सीक्वेंस है। तो 1/4 प्लस 1/4 प्लस 1/4 कितने सीक्वेंस है बेटा, अप टू 100। तो नीचे में एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, नीचे में एलसीएम तो 4 ही रहेगा, 1/R इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल्स टू, नीचे में एलसीएम क्या रहेगा बेटा, 1/R इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to 100 sequence, it is 100. Reward this 4/100 in case of parallel combination, in case of series 400 हो जाएंगे बेटा। तो सीरीज में मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, सीरीज ये सीक्वेंस है बेटा, लेंथ इंक्रीज हो जा रही है वायर की, रेजिस्टेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लेंथ। और पैरेलल में क्या हो रहा है बेटा, इनका क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ता जा रहा है, पैरेलल एक जगह क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ जाएगा, लेंथ रिमेन सेम, तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन इन सीरीज डायरेक्टली एडेड, और पैरेलल में क्या करेंगे बेटा, इनवर्सली ऐड करते हैं 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3। इनवर्स एडिशन मींस इक्विवेलेंट should decrease, directly added means equivalent should increase, 4 plus 4 plus 4 100 times 400 हो गए। और इनवर्स एडिशन करना बेटा, इनवर्स में एडिशन करना, दैट इज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन। तो 4 4 4 4 4 100 times 4/100, 4/100 is this one। बेटा आपको क्या समझना था, यहां सबसे बड़ी बात क्या समझना है, पैरेलल में जब हम ऐड करते हैं क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ जाती है, एंड व्हेन क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया इंक्रीजेस रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीजेस। इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन the length increases, the length goes on increasing, and that's why you know, since resistance is directly proportional to length, and as the length increases resistance getting sum up 4 plus 4 plus 4 for the length, and in parallel it becomes what is increasing, in parallel combination surface area is increasing, that's why resistance is inversely proportional to area, that's why resistance comes in the bottom side। reciprocal में ऐड करते बेटा 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, how many times, 100 times, so equivalent resistance you are getting 4/100, 4/100।
सर जी आवाज ना आ रही,
in series with the other two, the value of third resistor is 4 ohm, find the equivalent resistance, find the equivalent resistance across point A and B, across point A and B, across point A and B। Very good beta Khushbu, very good, your answer is correct, 8 ohm। How, these two are, let this be the R1, this be the R2, and this be the R3। How in solution you write, R1 and R2 are in parallel, are in parallel, when they are parallel, so equivalent resistance of 1 and 2 will be product of the two divided by sum of the two। But in long method, if you want to go through the long method, you can write like this, 1/R12, R12 is the equivalent resistance 1 and 2, you may write like this, R1 upon R2, what is the LCM, R1 into R2, R2 come this side, R1 goes this side, Now 1 by R12, like this. You will write like this. Revert this, reciprocating the above equation. R12 becomes product of the two divided by sum of the two products. 6 into 12 divided by 12 plus 6. 12 6 just 72. 18. It is 4. R12 is what is the value of R12? It is 4 ohm. Now we can draw this two part. We have already solved. Since we have determined the equivalent resistance of first and second resistor, so we can redraw this circuit like this, simple circuit like this, and write here R12 as 4 ohm and R3 as 4 ohm. Now you can write these two are connected in series. How they are connected? These two are connected in series. So your answer will be like this. You will write since R12 and R3 are in series. Since R12 and R3 are in series. But when two resistors are in series, what is the formula for equivalent resistance? Sum of the two. What is first? 4 ohm plus, what is the second one? 4 ohm. 4 ohm plus 4 ohm, it is 8 ohm. It is 8 ohm. 4 plus 4 is 8 ohm. But see here, first we have solved this one and find out this value as a 4. But इस पूरी के लिए हमने 4 अलग बना दिया, उसकी सीरीज में हमने थर्ड रजिस्टर को as it is सर्किट में ड्रॉ कर दिया. तो जब हमने what we are observing here from this diagram, these two are connected in series. So you have to write again like this. Since R12 and R3 are in series. So क्या होगा बेटा? R12 and R3 are in series, so that's why we can simply add these two and we'll get the equivalent resistance as 8 ohm. This is the final answer. 8 ohm is the final answer. 8 ohm is the final answer. Now, next question we will discuss. But all of you will get this video and you please go through this one and you make notes from that one. Now, here is one question more. Your circuit is like this. Determine the equivalent resistance between point A and B if all are of 4 ohm resistor. All of you find out the equivalent resistance across point A and B. Yes, beta, all of you find out the equivalent resistance across point A and B. Try to find out. Beta, see here, there are 3 parallel. First, second, third. This now 4 4 in first one, this circuit. See here, this part 4 4 4 4 are connected in series. 4 4 8, 4 12 plus 4 16. So we can draw this circuit like this. 3 line equivalent circuit. 16 ohm. Now lower one 4 4 4 4. Lower one 16. 16 ohm, and middle one has 4 plus 4, 8 ohm. And now this becomes point A, and this point becomes B. See here, beta, we can draw like this: 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. And middle one, 4 plus 4, 8. Now, 1, 2, 3 parallels are there. Now we can simply solve. 1 by R equivalent is equal to first part is 16. Second part is 8. These three are connected in parallel. So we can solve like this. What is the LCM? 16. 1, 8, 2 times 2. But see here, once again you see, here this is the first part and this was the second part. This is the third part. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. 4, 4, 8. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. These three are connected in parallel. And now we know, but its answer is its answer is 4 ohm. Its answer is 4 ohm. Let's see here. 1 by 16 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. LCM is 16. 16 to 1. 8 2 times. 16 1 time. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. But we have to just reciprocate this one. So when we are reciprocating R equivalent by 1, it becomes R equivalent. So R equivalent becomes 16 upon 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 16 by 4, it is 4 ohm. 4 ohm is the equivalent resistance. Now see here, all of you, but you have to